it off is I screwed up that. Gotta take that off and fix it. And like I was saying in the previous episode, I wanna, let's say about right here. Yeah, right there. Cock that some more. And then we're gonna work on cutting the hole in the front for the steering to go in. This will be interesting to know how I do this. So, let me get this done. We'll go from there.
Yeah, it's welded onto the box better than I thought.
Nice. New wash. Okay, well, I've done a little work without y'all seeing. Like I said, because I do a lot of thinking, so I wasn't sure about some things. But, there, that's what I repurpose the spindle for. Nice steering column. It's got the bearings in it. I plan to cut this. Hopefully it lines up. And it is a little worried. See what that does. But I can always still bend this. Yeah. Yeah, anyhow. Tack this, make this all one shaft, and I should still be able to remove it and find a way to mount this. But in reality, if I get frisky, I may try to make my own. I've got some interesting metal. They make a chain steering wheel. That would be an interesting project. I'm going to make this cut and then tack, and then tack a couple of times on that and see what it does. Yep. Imagine this pulley being a steering wheel. We have turning here, which turns that is not tightened up. Okay. So yesterday I thought I was going to make a steering wheel. As you can see, how this chain just perfectly fits fairly tight over this wheel. This is going to be my template, and I'm just going to weld it. But it's way too dirty. Won't weld at the moment, so I got to clean it. Well, every time I make a plan, everything goes wrong. That's okay. What do I have? I have stuff. Okay, well, I did everything I said I wasn't going to do. I ended up just welding everything to make it still. But I am successful, except, there is this. We'll see if I can't tighten this nut right there. Get some of that play out. Oh, I do need to replace the bushings with brass ones. Soft. But, I mean, it did solve some problems. It should be better. May not be the best, but it should be better. I think I'm going to put it all back together and do a little test drive with the camera on the hood.